Okay, moms, these are going to be the movements for week 1. The first workout is going to be for Wednesday, and we're going to start with some push-ups. There are 3 different push-up variations. You can do a straight plank push-up, chest to the deck every single time. You can plank push-up, drop to your knees, and then come to the top. Or you can do knee push-ups the entire time. That is completely fine and a totally reasonable scale. We don't call them girly push-ups because I know a lot of boys that have to do these push-ups. Our second movement is going to be the sit-up. We did this today in the tester, but we're going to review it again just to make sure you guys know. The feet go together, the knees come apart. You're going to lay all the way back so your shoulder blades touch the ground, and you can use your hands for momentum to fling your body up, and be sure to touch your toes every single time, you guys. Our third movement on Wednesday's workout is going to be a jump squat. You're going to get as low as you possibly can in that squat and then explode off of the ground, similar to our tuck jumps today. Your legs will stay straight, but you will come off the ground even if it's just a little bit. Remember to be kind to your body. If it really starts to hurt or is super bothersome, just substitute a regular air squat. You will be just fine. Our movement number 1 for Thursday's workout is going to be a mountain climber. You're going to start in a plank position and bring a foot up, alternating the feet back and forth. Every 2 count is a single rep. Trying to keep the hips low throughout the movement. The second piece of this workout is going to be the V-up. It's another core intensive movement, but what we're looking for here is for the spine to stay glued to the ground from the tailbone to the shoulder blades. So if you can't bring your legs up very high or send them very low, all I want is to try and keep the spine flat at the bottom. And this is a great substitution, keeping that spine glued. Our third workout that's programmed for the week is going to start with jumping lunges. You're going to pop up and switch your feet back and forth, back and forth. Each knee tap counts as 1. The second movement is going to be the Superman, which we'll get to in just a moment. Remember, look, you don't have to get very high off the ground in that jumping lunge. All right, now we get to the Superman, you guys. Got a little ahead of myself. You're gonna lift your arms and legs off the ground at the same time. It's gonna be using the glutes and the low back. That core is gonna get really stable. Our final movement is going to be the tricep dip. You can do this almost anywhere. Dining table, on a bench, outside, doesn't matter where. The closer your feet are to your body, the easier this movement becomes. If you need to challenge yourself a little bit, take those legs out. Try and get your butt to the ground, but be safe with the shoulders. It's very important that you listen to your body the entire time. The final scaling, you can see here, little dips. If you're having a really hard time with the dip, don't sweat it. Scale it. And that's what we have for you guys this week. Enjoy!